Hi, and welcome to a brief overview and demonstration of O3's ONBuild solution. In less than 10 minutes, you will get a quick tour of the solution that is purpose-built to support the construction phase for an industrial construction project or portfolio. But first, who is O3? O3 is a web-based platform purpose-built for companies in industrial construction who are interested in applying the principles of advanced work packaging. AWP, as it's commonly referred to in the industry, is a best practice recognized by the Construction Industry Institute. O3 has helped our clients address their unique challenges, including change management, collaboration across teams, introducing automation to reduce effort, scaling AWP from a single implementation across a portfolio or organization, and optimizing the process to demonstrate real ROI. We're also proud members of several construction industry organizations that are leading the way in innovation for advanced work packaging. And we've got the stats to support our claims that we have more experience supporting AWP than any other software in this space. This is just a snapshot of our clients and what we have to offer. While O3 Solution Suite can be applied in any project phase, with our recommendation being the earlier the better, today, we're going to provide a deeper look into ONBuild, O3's solution purpose-built to support the construction execution phases. This particular solution includes capabilities tailored to support work-based planning and work packaging directly in the field. ONBuild can be implemented on a single project or with a project manager who is responsible for a portfolio of projects in the construction phase. Unlike older, more traditional software suites, O3 was created after AWP was recognized as the best practice and was designed specifically to support advanced work packaging. We've been battle tested in the field for years and provide a robust yet lightweight web-based solution that is accessible anywhere you have an internet connection. O3 can connect dozens or even hundreds of data sources, including 3D models, materials management tools, and scheduling systems. In addition, our solution suite can meet you where you are, whether you have a small maintenance project, a portfolio of projects, or we can even scale to giga projects. And most importantly, we continue to innovate as the AWP best practice is further defined in the industry. Today, I'm going to give you a brief overview of O3's ONBuild solution. O3 has a comprehensive AWP solution suite that supports projects from concept through commissioning. It's important to note that with any of O3's AWP specific solutions in the dark blue bar, the supporting project management and training solutions, ONTarget and OnCourse, are included. Now we'll take a tour of the most popular O3 solution. ONBuild is a modern work-based planning system designed to drive visibility and accountability into the AWP process and introduces automation steps to reduce the time and effort you need to roll out a full work packaging program for your project in the construction phase. While the concept of work packaging is not new, many companies still have challenges implementing the best practice consistently across all disciplines, not just pipe and steel. In some cases, work packages are created using one tool or method, and tracking and reporting and other activities are completed in totally separate systems or even worksheets. These disjointed processes lead to a lack of visibility and accountability, and most of all, a lack of collaboration, which wastes time and money and has a considerable impact to productivity, quality, and safety. ONBuild's capabilities include the following components. WorkFace Planning. ONBuild supports WorkFace Planning with or without a 3D model, where planners can create, track, and manage work packages in a single system. This is an example of how to create a work package without using a graphical model in O3. With ONBuild's work package creation and tracking, your WorkFace planners can create, track, and manage work packages in one single tool. No more disparate spreadsheets. With real-time status views, project managers, contractors, subcontractors, And WorkFace planners can separately view the status of their own work with a color-coded model or dashboard to make decisions more quickly. With ONBuild's Constraint Management component, any issues holding up work, such as materials, permits, or predecessor packages, are easily identified and can be assigned to a task owner with a due date and a priority, which helps resolve those critical issues. Alerts and notifications are also automated instead of having to chase updates with phone calls, emails, and status meetings. So much time savings. ONBuild's reporting and analytics capabilities include default dashboards and reports that are available out of the box, or specific reports can be configured based on your preferences or the preferences of a specific team, discipline, or role, or a project type. And it allows you to drill down into the dashboard to learn more if you have an area that is of interest. And finally, with scaffold management, managing scaffold requests has never been easier. Setup and teardown requests can be planned and coordinated across disciplines well in advance to eliminate workfront access issues. ONBuild helps fill gaps left by outdated tool sets and provides an unprecedented level of visibility into the progress of work packages, scaffold requests, and critical constraints that may be holding up construction. Regardless of which engineering tools you use, or even if you don't have a 3D model, ONBuild can support any size project across multiple contractors and disciplines. And with a robust set of configurable roles and permissions, each company or team can view their scope of work with clearly defined workflows, a clear approval process, and more. As mentioned previously, ONBuild also includes the project management and training solutions ONTarget and OnCourse. OnCourse is the O3 solution that ensures your team is ready to support the job at hand with the appropriate training and certifications. When companies introduce advanced work packaging processes, often multiple companies are involved, and so managing how that new process may affect daily work can be a bit challenging. It's also important to include any technology that might be used to support AWP during the training process. OnCourse helps training managers and AWP champions manage courses, create learning paths for specific roles, capture important training metrics to keep your program on track, and keeps a record of who has reached certain levels of certification. The ONTarget solution is the standard project management layer of our solution suite. ONTarget helps companies adopt a modern digital approach to managing the scope, schedule, budget, and risks for your project. Some key features here to note are agile project management tools like drag and drop Kanban boards, risk management tools, schedule management with editable Gantt charts, a tracking component for identifying and measuring progress against the project's team and goals, and digital task management, where you can assign owners, due dates, and priorities for important tasks to follow up on. Often there's a lack of connection between multiple tools that handle all of these processes, and it's difficult to see the real-time status of a project. O3 solution helps move traditional project methods into the 21st century and away from a rigid sequence. ONTarget is more flexible, responsive, and helps you adapt to things as they change on the job site. So as a recap, the ONBuild solution combined with ONTarget and OnCourse provides all the tools, data management, reporting, and capabilities to implement a successful AWP program for the construction phase of a project or portfolio of projects. So let's get started today. If you have additional questions or want more information on how ONBuild can apply to your next project, please contact us to learn more.